The Vineland was a very long test to administer because the basal in the ceiling was difficult to establish because of the options of the sometimes. So the parent kept choosing sometimes. Um, I liked in administering the violin. I did it on the iPad, so that was really fun and new to the new technology that allows you to do the test and allows it to score as soon as you finish. Um, what I disliked about the violin is that it was so long and so many questions, and I don't think that a parent really takes their time in answering all the questions because they're just trying to hurry up and get it done. Um, Unless their child is extremely low functioning, they're not going to make the ceiling very quickly. And so, therefore, it takes a long time to ask the parents the questions. What did I find easy about administering and scoring? So I did the test on the iPad. So it was easy because you just asked the question and then I typed in the answer that they provided. And then the scoring was easy because I just pressed the tab that says score report, and that was easy. The difficult part was um, that when I was trying to administer it on the iPad, the system had gone down about 2 or 3 times. So I had to wait to the next day for them to reboot the system. So that was the most difficult thing because I had the paper and pencil version. So I did go ahead and administer the paper version, but then I had to go back and put it in the iPad in the scoring system in order to get the score. What questions do I have about administering scoring the violin? So with new technology, most of the scoring is done on the computer, so it's not like how it used to be. So the main thing would be just in writing a report, making sure that transferring the information over correctly and explaining it correctly. And so, how can the violin contribute to comprehensive assessment when considering special education? So, as a life skills teacher, we use adaptive behavior scales all the time to make sure that the student meets the uh, criteria for ID. It also helps in the functioning skills of a student that may have other disabilities, their ability to adapt in different social situations, and also for programming to make sure that they're learning social skills that they need to learn in order to be successful.